Welcome to Mama My Strength's kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this channel, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For quick and easy chocolate chip cookies, following are the ingredients. Here is the chocolate chip cookie mix that I will be using to prepare my cookies. And at the back you can see the ingredients that is required to prepare the cookies. First, I will be using the wax paper. Second is the egg, which is already required by the cookie mix, and then butter. Now here I've got a whisk and a mixing bowl. But before I started my baking, I made sure that I've already prepared the cookie tray and I've used the wax paper. I've got a separate tray beside me. In case if there are extra doughs, then I can use the next tray. First, I'm going to be mixing butter and egg together and make it into a fine batter. And I'm going to whisk it until it's nice and smooth. For this recipe, only 2 ingredients was required, as the rest of the ingredients is already mixed in the cookie mix package. Here is the cookie mix package that I'm using. It has got flour, baking powder, chocolate chip. At the same time, it does have sugar already mixed in it. So I'm gonna mix it little by little until I make a nice dough that is required to prepare my cookies. Here goes my final cookie mix, and you can see that the dough is now ready. You can use a tablespoon, as I'm using, to measure the size, or you can roll small balls and place it on the tray. The choice is yours. And this is very cheap in the supermarket. You can easily get them, or any grocery store that is. Next, I'm going to heat the oven at 350 degrees. Now I'm placing the cookie dough in the oven, and you can see it's slowly rised. After 10 to 8 minutes, you can take out the cookies and leave it outside to get cooled down. And once it's cooled down, that's when you can start packing them. You can see the cookies are now ready, and I've decided to pack them in this particular container. It's better to use a wax paper so that the cookies can easily come out. But if you don't have it, you can always grease the tray. And here were the 2 cookies that will stick together. If you did like the recipe and the video, please do subscribe and also share.